water is Babylon. These plants can be found in fresh or salt water. The leaves or floating plants are firm and remain flat in order to absorb more sunlight. Floating leaves are generally tall because they have to withstand the weather and water movement. Common examples of floating plants include vari, 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 various, various types of lilies such as water lilies and water hyacinth. The adoption of water lilies produces in the presence of chloroplasts on the leaves. The chloroplasts of the water lilies are present only on the surface of the leaves that are exposed to the sun. Chloroplasts contain the pigment that absorbs sunlight for photosynthesis or reaction. Another important absorption of water lilies can be seen in the lateral spreading of their leaf canopy. The leaves of water lilies expand across the surface for the generous amount of the exposure. Since tall aquatic plants typically dominate their waters as compared to the trees in the land that grow upward as their leaves compete for sunlight. Water lilies need the surface tension of the water in anchoring their leaves. This is the reason why they are commonly found in still and calm water such as freshwater, ponds, and lakes. On the other hand, aquatic plants like water hyacinths are anchored to the bottom of a pond. Government plans to look, 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 look. This one, there is a picture right there.